Show them where you want to come off of. I was going over it with them this morning.
You want to look and see what you think? Because I got to be at the gym at 10. What time I got?
You got to be at the gym. What are you telling them? You're not going there to work out, of course.
I'm going to work out, buddy. Working out.
Another day in the life of a contractor and crazy clients. This is one of the craziest ones here. Boy, his front yard's looking sweet.
Yeah.
You sit out here much in the evening and sit in the chair? Yeah. Do you? Yeah. Well, are you the mayor? You the mayor?
Everyone, you know what I'm saying? I get to talk to people.
You retied in, didn't you? From here all the way?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, they're working on that home, huh?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people in there?
What's that?
A lot of people in there?
Yeah, a lot of people in there work every day.
Well, don't they use that for dorms for the kids?
No, they sold that.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, homeowner bar.
Going back here to the fence? Going to the fence? To the pole? Okay.
What do you think, Bobby?
How come she holding the ladder? You think you're going to fall off there?
Bob, we're only looking to do, you know, this area
Two?
here.
You going to do two of them?
I think whatever he thinks is going to look the best. You guys do this stuff. I'm a plumber.
I think two places, Root. 2 places and tie it in. You'd be good. What do you think?
I think he was going one there and then come up in the middle and do one and then go there and then one. So he's going up,
down, and back?
Back and up.
That's fine. That'll look good.
Right, Drew? Yeah. Yes.
Okay, that'll look good. I like that. That'll look really nice.
Did you cut both of them, Rudy?
No, we don't cut. Yeah, the both.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You cut both of them?
yeah, I cut it already.
What do you think? And he's still looking. I got a spot on the sprinkler. It looks like, I don't know if it's getting stuck. I don't know.
Who put the sprinkler in?
Rudy did. And he told me it's a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty.
No, it's a brake light warranty.
Yeah, when the brake light goes out, you're done. Yeah. You put a new roof on here too? Did you?
New roof, new gutters.
I know you did the gutters new. I didn't know you did the roof.
Yeah.
Are you done now? Yeah, right, until tomorrow morning.
I'm done. I need to put some landscape, like, they're coming Wednesday to mulch.
Are they? Santos?
He's busy.
Is he?
He's real busy.
Yeah, I think that'll look good with the lights strung out here.
We put it on a switch.
Okay.
I had the electrician come, put a box in, and put it on a switch.
So we don't have to come down here every evening when you call to turn the light on for you?
Exactly.
When you're out there in the front with a Mai Tai or frozen margarita in your hand? Chrissy, I need you to put salt here on this, and then I need to call Bobby to have those guys come down and flip the lights on for me. Where were you this morning?
I went to the office.
Oh, okay, because Rudy called me. He says, where's Mahoney at? I said, I don't know. You never know where that man's going to be. These lights are going to look nice. Are these the ones you and I talked about?
Yes.
I like these a lot. What are these, 3-watt LED? I think so.
Yes.
I think these are 3s.
Are they LED?
It's incandescent. Yeah, it's incandescent. It's not a LED.
I thought it was the incandescent piece, then the LED middle piece in there to make it look like incandescent. I'll have to check them out.
Yeah, it's incandescent. It's not LED.
You know what I'm saying? Because they're making a lot of these now that look, you know, that look like the incandescent, but they're putting a piece in here, putting a piece in right here to make it look that way, but it's not. But this one does look like it. I can't see that bottom piece though. That almost looks like it's LED in the very bottom of it. We'll have to check these out at night, huh?
They'll look good for sure.
Greg, send me a picture tonight.
I will.
A couple of them. Will you? If I don't make it down here, I don't get invited down this part of town much.
I don't come. I don't either.
Got new air conditioning too?
Yeah.
Good Lord, you did everything, didn't you? Every time I turn around, I see something new every time I come down. The fence looks good. TV. TV hold up all right in the weather here? You take it out?
Yeah, I just took the cover off yesterday.
Did you?
Yep. I was watching the O's game.
That was a good game. Lost, I know.
They've been doing good.
Newt was telling me Thursday he goes to a lot of games.
He does.
He got season tickets. Yeah, he does. They've been whipping up some butt, but the last couple of days they've been losing.
Yeah. But they're the second best in Major League Baseball right now.
Tampa Bay's rocking too. We need to go to the game one night. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Will you behave though?
Yeah, I can behave now.
You can behave. I don't know what Chrissy will say.
She's inside. Go talk to her.
If I talk to her, I know what she'd tell me. You going to do what with what? How long do you think that'll last till he gets up from his chair and wanders off? Well, I don't know. Probably 15, 20 minutes.
What do you need that for, Rudy? That wire?
For connecting the tap.
Oh. See, I asked a lot of questions because I don't know.
No, because if we can run and dig one all the way to the outlet, you can see the light.
Oh.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Yeah. See, that's why you're the low voltage and the lighting guy, professional, and I'm the plumber.
I try it.
Yeah. No, don't try it. No.
Yeah, that's the one we had to do. This wire.
I'm still trying to get somebody to come back and put my fix my toilet at my house.
Did you call Chris?
3 weeks ago.
Oh, I'll have to call him then. That's bullshit.
Give him a hard time.
I'll call him right now. All right, Bobby. Thank you. I'm going to the gym.
Are you?
Yeah, I got to be there at 10 o'clock.
You better get going.
Yeah, well, I got to go to Defense Hwy.
Defense Hwy.
Orange Theory.
Oh, are you? You like there?
Yeah.
This is gonna look nice. Roots, you gonna get done here, then you're gonna go pick up the other truck and trailer and help Julio finish that job?
That's the one we had to do.
He said, yeah, Julio needs 2 more rolls of wire.
Okay.
Go
I'll
all
see
the way
you
down the
Yeah,
driveway.
okay.
I'll be back at 11:10, and I'll bring the black tie wraps, right?
Oh, okay.
You need the black tie
Yeah,
wraps.
because this one we had.
You gonna stop at Home Depot?
Yes.
You need money?
No, I might. I'm fine.
Who loves you?
I'll see you guys.
Yeah, it looked nice. So we'll get it all adjusted now. That'll look sharp tonight. We'll talk with you guys on the next Life of a Contractor. Talk to you soon. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.